Hello again, it's Elizabeth and I'm in my art loft, and I have a book to show you that I made some time ago. It's not really a journal, although it does have writing in it. And let me get my camera fixed here so it won't be moving. There, I think that's got it. And this book is one that I believe is me. So it qualifies for the challenge that Nik has for books that are the books that are like you, most like you. The book that you've made that's most like you. This has a regular T that's in the spot so that it can't be opened accidentally. And the book looks like this. That being the front of it. This being the box for it. So we'll move the box out of the way. And I'll try to show you the book. The book has several different pages, can be opened sort of like a book. So that shows the pages. Let me maybe center that a little better. And then you can't actually open it from the back because the back has a spine, which is actually some like chainmail stuff. But you can see through the book, through the pages here. And there are poems and or other sayings that I've written myself on the shutters, as well as some of the other pages in the book. This shutter reveals butterflies on a screen mesh. And if we open the book fully, then it's opened like this. And there's actually a page that opens here where the butterflies are. So you can see there are actually lots of pages. This one has a poem that I wrote that says, "All the eyes of the night see how our fears are masked by the light of day." Then we have a nice little curtain of beads and chains that I made. And it says, "What if we could enhance all views with a beaded curtain?" What if we could enhance all views with a beaded curtain? Just makes you think a little differently. Then we have a rock that I found, which is in the shape of a heart, and I put crocheted threads there to hold it into the page. The page is, of course, again, when we open this all the way up, you can see that there's a frame in the page. And I put the rock in there. I don't think there's anything that's verbiage on this one, but there is on the back one. Some of them are easier to read than others, and some of them I'm not going to read aloud here. It's a little more, maybe a little more personal than that. There is verbiage here and here, of course, when you look at it from the back or back to the front. There are shutters here which show kind of sparkly things in there. I know I got it out of frame, sorry about that. And those don't open, but they're kind of like the front of it has an opening, but the back of it doesn't. On the inside, when you pull it open, you can see there's actually a poem written on this surface. This is marbled paper that I've done. In fact, all of this paper is either paste paper or marbled paper that I've done. I've made it myself. Actually, there is something on the inside of this, on the inside frame. It's kind of difficult to read it around the camera, trying to look at it from here. Something about hearts that can be broken. A heart of stone cannot be broken, nor will it melt when soft words are spoken. A heart made of stone will keep you alone unless the love that it hides is awoken. Okay, that's the poem there. A little trite perhaps, but that's me. Anyway, this book I think epitomizes me. It is not really a journal, but I'm going to submit it to Nik's the journal that is most like me, or whatever the name of it was. Again, I'll have to look that up again. Thank you for watching. Bye.